Yan. So, hello friends, no? So, today we will be discussing first order differential equation solution by integrating factors. So, we have already discussed basically the top three, maybe I should say first first methods, no, of solving differential equations, kasi usually sila yung una mong iisipin na okay, baka ganito yung differential equation natin, no. So dito na tayo pupunta sa paano kapag hindi siya nagfo-fall under varcep, under homogeneous at under exact, no. So paano pag wala siya dun sa lahat ng yun. So this is one of the methods, no. So we will be discussing solution by integrating factors. No, so review tayo ng kaunti, no. ED in the form of m of xy dx plus n of xy dy is equal to 0. It is said to be exact when the partial derivative of m of xy in respect to y is equal to the partial derivative of n of xy in respect to x, no. Exact daw kapag equal yung kanilang partial derivatives, no. Pero kapag hindi, no, kapag if m sub y is not equal to n sub x, okay, the differential equation is said to be non-exact, no. So hindi natin siya maso-solve agad-agad by using the exact solution, no, exact differential equation solution. So non-exact DEs may be solved by using the solution to exact differential equations by multiplying what we call an integrating factor, no. So this integrating factor, it is a function, whether it is a function of x or it is a function of y, okay, to both the terms, no, yung ating m of xy at saka yung n of xy natin. Okay, kapag doon na multiply na natin, no, yung ating integrating factor, no, it is said to be equal na. So magiging equal na daw yung ating partial derivative, and hence, no, kapag equal yung partial derivatives, no, matatawag na natin tong exact. So we can proceed with the solution to exact differential equations, no. So let's have our examples here, no. So we have our first example. We have 3xy plus y squared is plus quantity of x squared plus xy times y prime is equal to 0, no. So you need to transform the differential equation first, no, into the form na m of xy dx, m of xy dy plus n of xy dx. Tama ba ako? No, so basta kailangan niyo siyang ma-segregate yung dx and dy, no. So alam naman natin na ang y prime is equal to dy over dx. So ta-transform ko lang siya, no. Magmo-multiply ako ng dx on all terms. Di ba? Kasi remember, y prime is equal to dy over dx. So makakancel si dx dito sa second term natin. So we will have, sorry. So we will have 3xy plus y squared, no. Buo nyo siya lalagyan ng dx, no. Alam naman natin na buo siya lalagyan kasi kahit pa isa-isa nyo siya lagyan, later on ifa-factor out nyo rin naman. So why not put it all together na agad, no. So plus x squared plus xy dy na lang to, is equal to 0, no. So again, yung nakakabit kay dx, yun ang m of xy natin, yung nakakabit kay dy, yun ang n of xy natin, no. So let's check if the differential equation is exact, no. So this is our m of xy, and our n of xy is x squared plus xy. Okay, yan dalawang yan. Okay, so let's get the partial derivative, no. This one in respect to y kasi nakakabit siya kay dx, so kabaligtaran, kay dy tayo. No, partial derivative of 3xy is 3x plus 2y, no. Yan yung kanyang partial derivative. Then yung n naman natin, no, so we'll have 2x plus y. Yan yung ating partial derivative in respect to x. As we can see, they are not equal. No, they are not equal. So we need to multiply again, no, by the definition of non-exact differential equations. We need to multiply an integrating factor. Let's see if it will fall under mu of x, no. So mu of x multiply to 3x plus 2y times dx plus not 3x plus 2y, but rather 3xy plus y squared. Ayan. Tapos ito din, no, yung x squared plus xy. dy is equal to 0. No. Now, etong buong to ngayon, no, yung 'di ba nagmultiply na tayo ng mu of x. Etong buong to, no. Yan na yung ating magiging bagong m. Tapos etong buong to kasama yung mu of x ay na yung magiging bagong n natin. No, so let's get the partial derivative. So we'll have my is equal to mu of x times 3xy plus y squared. Remember, mu of x is a function of x. So if we're going, or sorry, this is not m sub y, this is m still. No. So if we're going to get the partial derivative of a function of x in respect to y, it will be treated as a constant. 'Di ba? So kunin natin my. So kopyahin nyo lang yung mu of x kasi constant nga siya, 'di ba? So tignan natin. No, dito since meron tayong dalawang y, no, we have this y and this y, no, so we can get the partial derivative. Actually, we can just multiply, no, yung my natin. Okay, but I am not encouraging na i-multiply nyo agad, no, when you're getting the partial derivative. Kasi mamaya kasi paano kung mu of y yung ginagamit niyo, then iba yung rule. No, just like in this case. Now we have our n is equal to mu of x squared plus xy. Okay, remember guys, no, remember, mu of x is a function of x, and if we are going to get the derivative of that function of x in respect to x, we need to evaluate. Hindi natin siya pwede i-treat as a constant. No, ito yung sinasabi ko na be careful. No, so in this case, anong gagawin natin? We have two functions, this one and this one. So kapag meron tayong two functions na naka-multiply to each other, we need to get the product rule. No, so product rule lang gagamitin natin kapag kinuha natin yung kanilang partial derivative. No, so I'll have here that is udv plus vdu, 'di ba? Alam niyo naman nun, or uv prime plus vu prime. So u, yun yung ating mu of x, 'di ba? Ito yung ating u, ito yung ating v. So the derivative of x squared plus xy in respect to x, no, so that is, or the partial derivative rather, is equal to 2x plus y. 'Di ba? Yan yung kanyang first, no, yung udv plus v du. X squared plus xy, you need to copy. Then what is the partial derivative of mu of x in respect to x? 'Di ba that will be mu prime of x? Or this mu prime of x, no? This mu prime of x is equivalent to the derivative of mu of x in respect to x. No, d over dx basically. No, so later gagamitin natin tong etong property na to or equality na to, no, when we are getting the value of mu of x, kasi we need to get the value of mu of x na i-multiply natin pabalik dun sa ating original non-exact equation para maging exact na siya, so we can get the solution. Okay, so let me just equate, kasi 'di ba sabi nga they are said to be equal kapag ka exact na, 'di ba? So we need to equate, so that will be mu of x times 3x plus 2y is equal to mu of x times 2x plus y plus mu prime of x times x squared plus xy. Yeah, yan yung ating magiging resulting equation to get the value of the integrating factor. Isipin niyo si mu of x is just another version of x. No, so yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. So since we need to isolate mu of x para maging varSep, okay, kasi we need to make this equation a variable separable equation para ma-solve natin yung value ng mu of x. Okay, so ano gagawin natin? Lahat ng mu prime of x sa kanan, lahat ng mu of x sa kaliwa. Pwede nyo din gawin yung kapag mu of y naman yung hinahanap ninyo. No, so as long as integrating factor yung yung hahanapin natin. Okay, so we have mu of x 3x plus 2y minus mu of x times 2x plus y is equal to mu prime of x times x squared plus xy. Okay? Next, no, since meron tayong negative sign and we have mu of x, no, we have mu of x in common, pwede natin siyang i-factor out. So we will have 3x plus 2y minus, i-distribute natin to negative na to dito sa ating function na 2x plus y. No, so this will become negative 2x minus y. Okay? So, equal to, yung mu prime of x, pwede nyo nang gawin siyang d mu of x over dx, no? Kasi sabi ko nga, gagawin na nating, ang tawag dito, gagawin na nating varcept to. No? So, I'll factor out x since common naman sila. So, this will become x times x plus y, quantity of x plus y. Diba? So, evaluate lang natin. We have 3x minus 2x. So, that is simply x, no? 3 minus 2 is 1. Then we have 2y minus y, that is plus y. Okay, this is equal to d mu of x over dx times x plus y. We can divide both sides by x plus y, no? Kasi we do not want the function to have y as much as possible. No, kasi since we are getting mu of x, remember, mu of x, it is a function of x. There should no be other variables aside from x, no? So, we can divide both sides para ma-cancel to. Diba? So, technically, we have mu of x is equal to d mu of x over dx times x. Diba? So, I will multiply, no? Anong gagawin natin? No? Para maging variable separable siya, I will multiply dx over x times mu of x. Kasi dapat si mu of x, mapunta ko siya dito sa kasama niya na d mu of x. 'Di ba? Para later I can get the antiderivative and get ln of mu of x. 'Di ba? So ganun yung gagawin natin. So we'll have d over dx, dx over x is equal to d mu of x over mu of x. Okay, yan na yung ating bagong equation. So, I can get the antiderivative. No? So, therefore, we will have the natural logarithm of x is equal to the natural logarithm of mu of x. Okay? So, I can use the lne property, no, to cancel out yung ln. So, therefore, no, we can say that mu of x is equal to x. Diba? Our integrating factor is actually x. Okay? So, since we already evaluated the mu of x, kopyahin ko na lang yung function natin kanina na may mu of x. Then, I will just substitute yung mu of x with x. Kopyahin ko na lang. Teka, ayusin ko. Ayan. Tapos, burahin na lang natin yung mga unnecessary, ano natin, ayan. So, again, papalitan ko si mu of x ng x kasi nakuha na natin yung value ng ating integrating factor. Tapos, you can distribute, no? Or you can factor out, pero I suggest distribute na lang muna. Mas madali kasi, no? So, we will have 3x squared y plus xy squared dx plus x cubed plus x squared y dy is equal to 0. So let's get the partial derivative, no? Para ma-check natin kung exact na ba, tama ba yung nakuha natin na integrating factor. So we'll have m of y, sorry, I'll use blue. M sub y pala, not m of y, m sub y. So the partial derivative of 3x squared y plus xy squared in respect to y, no, is just simply 3x squared plus xy. Diba? And the partial derivative of this function, remember, this is our m, this is our n. No? So, the partial derivative of n in respect to x is 3x squared plus 2xy. No? So, sorry, I forgot the 2 here in this term. No? So, palitan ko lang. Ayan. No, so they are already equal, hence our differential equation is now exact, no? So remember, no, m is equal to psi x, no? So we have psi x, psi sub x is equal to 3x squared y plus xy squared. Then we will get the antiderivative in respect to x kasi 'di ba? Remember, psi x is a function of x, 'di ba? So hence we need to multiply we need to get the antiderivative in respect to x. So we'll have psi is equal to, so we'll have 3y, lahat ng constant, 'di ba? Lahat ng mga non-variables magiging constant. So times x cubed over 3 plus y squared times x squared over 2. 'Di ba? So plus f of y kasi 'di ba psi x is a partial function of x, no? So kapag kinuha natin yung antiderivative, I mean, kapag kinuha natin derivative ng y in respect to x, since y will be a constant, it will be equal to 0. No? So yun yung concept behind bakit tayo naglalagay ng f of y. Again, no, going back to the lesson in exact differential equation. So simplifying, so we'll have 3 psi is equal to, cancel yung 3. Diba? So we'll have x cubed y plus 1/2 x squared y squared plus f of y. So this is our psi. We need to get the value of f of y. Paano natin gagawin yan? Again, no, we will get the partial derivative in respect to y. And then we will equate it with n, no? Yung n function natin. So we'll have psi y is equal to, so, lahat ng mga non-y's magiging constant since this is partial differentiation. No? So, we'll have x cubed plus 1/2 x squared times 2y, no? So, plus f prime of y. So, cancel this one, no? So, we'll have x squared y plus f prime of y. Then, we will equate this with letter n, no? Yung ating function n natin. So, that is x cubed plus x squared y. So, we have x cubed plus x squared y. Since we have same terms on opposite sides of the equation, they will cancel out. Diba? Ito, we have x squared y. So, x squared y din to. So, therefore, our f prime of y is equal to what? Wala na iwan, so we'll have f prime of y is equal to 0. And if we're going to get the the antiderivative, no, of this equation in respect to y, kasi f prime of y na to, no? So therefore we will have f of y is equal to c. Diba? So since we already have the value of f of y, we can get the actual solution, no, by getting the psi function, pero hindi na natin isasama si psi. So we will have, no, so we'll have x cubed y plus 1/2 x squared y squared is equal to c. This is the general solution to the differential equation, no? So ayan, okay? So I hope malinaw guys, no, kung paano tayo nag-arrive with this answer, no? So ayan. Okay, next, no? So we'll have number 2. No, so we have here the differential equation 3x squared y plus 2xy plus y cubed dx plus x squared plus y squared dy is equal to 0. No? So naka-form na siya ng ating exact slash non-exact. So obviously this is not exact, no? So there's no need, I mean, kayo na mag-check, no, kung exact ba to or not exact. Basta this is not exact, no? So I will multiply, no? So we'll use mu of x muna, no? So plus 2xy plus y cubed, no? So x squared plus y squared dy, oh sorry, I forgot the mu of x. Is equal to 0. No, so ayan, no? So we have already arrived with the exact form, no? So let's get the partial derivatives, no? So we have m sub y since naka-attach kay dx, no? So ito yung ating m, no? So we'll have lahat siya may y, no? So we'll have mu of x times, so that is 3x squared plus 2x plus 3y squared. Diba? That is our my. Our nx, no? Our nx is just simply ito yon, no? So we'll have again, no, product rule kasi they are both functions of x and y, no? Sorry, functions of x, no? So we'll have mu of x times the derivative of x squared plus y squared, partial derivative of x squared plus y squared in respect to x. So that will be 2x, diba? So yung y squared kasi constant, so derivative ng constant is 0. So plus mu prime of x, no? Kasi that's the partial derivative of mu of x in respect to x times x squared plus y squared. Okay, so we will equate them as if they are equal kasi nga, 'di ba? We are going to use them as if it is exact, no? So we'll have mu of x 3x squared plus 2x plus 3y squared is equal to mu of x times 2x plus mu prime of x times x squared plus y squared. Okay? So, sige, no? So, ilipat natin yung mu of x dito sa kabilang side. So, we'll have mu of x 3x squared plus 2x plus 3y squared minus mu of x times 2x is equal to mu prime of x times x squared plus y squared. Okay? So, we can factor out mu of x. So, we'll have 3x squared plus 2x plus 3y squared minus 2x, no? So, they will be cancelled. Ito. Tsaka to. Diba? So, may iwan natin is... sorry. May iwan natin is 3x squared plus 3y squared. No? So, is equal to mu prime of x multiplied to x squared plus y squared. So since common si 3 dito, no? So we can factor out 3, no? So we will have 3 times x squared plus y squared. Sabi nga natin ayaw natin ng y hangga't maaari. So we will divide both sides by x squared plus y squared. No, pati ito. So cancel, 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 cancel. So we'll have 3, no? 3 mu of x is equal to d mu of x over dx. So we'll just multiply both sides, no, by dx over mu of x. Okay? So of course cancel, cancel. So we'll have 3 dx is equal to d mu of x over mu of x. Okay? Then let's get the antiderivative. Okay, so we'll have the antiderivative of 3 dx is simply 3x. Then we'll have ln of mu of x. Since naka-ln si mu of x, we need to apply the e property. No? So e raised to ln cancel, but we also need to do this on the other side. No? So ito walang maka-cancel kasi hindi naman naka-ln si 3x. 'Di ba? So therefore, we have our value ng ating integrating factor is e raised to 3x. Wala na kasi tayo masisimplify. No? So, e raised to 3x ang ating integrating factor. So, going back to our equation, nasa na yan? Ito. Just need to copy this one. Ayan. No-copy na lang natin. Mahirap magsulat eh. Ayan. Okay. So, we have here, no? Tanggalin ko lang yung underlines. Ayan. Then, burahin ko si mu of x. Papalitan natin ng e raised to 3x. E raised to 3x. Ayan. Okay? So, you can distribute it, guys. Pero, actually, there is a shortcut on doing this one. No? So, kahit hindi nyo na siya actually i-distribute. Kapag sanay kayo, no? Kahit hindi nyo na i-distribute. So, we'll have m. Again, this is our m. This is our n. So we have my, or the partial derivative of m function in respect to y. So this will be equal to e raised to 3x times 3x squared plus 2x plus 2y. Okay? Then, no? So, we'll have n sub x is equal to e raised to 3x, no? Again, ano tayo dito, ang tawag dito? Mag pa-product rule, no? I forgot the term, no? Magpa-product rule tayo. So, we'll have udv plus vdu, so that is 2x plus we have 3e raised to 3x, that is the derivative of e raised to 3x, tapos times x squared plus y squared, no? Sorry, this is rather 3y squared. I forgot. No? So, simplifying n of x, no? So, we will arrive with, we can factor out e raised to 3x. So, we have e raised to 3x times 2x plus 3x squared plus 3y squared. Now, are they the same? No, are they equal? Yes, they are already equal. So, since they are already equal, our equation is now exact. No, so we'll have psi x that is equivalent to so ito yung sorry, not my but rather yung m natin. So we have e raised to 3x times 3x squared y plus 2xy plus y cubed. Diba? So, we're going to get the antiderivative in respect to x of this whole function. No? So, we'll have psi is equal to, so distribute lang, actually, we can, ano ba, pwede natin gawin dito? Sige, distribute na lang natin, no? So, we have the integral of 3x squared e raised to 3xy plus 2x e raised to 3xy plus e raised to 3xy cube dx. Eto walang problema kasi 'di ba y cube is just a constant. No, so pwede na natin siyang ilabas agad, then we'll get the antiderivative of e raised to 3x dx that is equal to 1 over 3 e raised to 3x, 'di ba? So basically that's our for this term, no? That's our antiderivative for this term. Paano tong dalawa? We need to do tawag dito integration by parts, no? So isa-isahin natin para hindi tayo malito. No, so we have rewrite ko lang out sa tawag dito putting out all the constants, no? So we have 3y x squared e raised to 3x. So para at least ito na lang yung ating i-IBP, no? So same with this one, no? So we have 2y x e raised to 3x. Okay, so we have di plus minus plus, kahit tatlo muna, no? Okay lang yon. So ano ilalagay natin sa d and sa I? Of course, no? So I late, so exponential, automatic lagay nyo sa sa integrating part, no? So dito x squared, dito is e raised to 3x. So continuous differentiation or continuous derivative, so 2x to minus, lagyan nyo yung kapag kulang pa, no? So integrating this one, so this will be 1/3 e raised to 3x, diba? So next, no, that is 1 over 9 e raised to 3x. Then we have 1 over 27 e raised to 3x. So pa-diagonal again, no? So we'll have 3y times x squared, 3y times 1/3 x squared e raised to 3x minus 2 over 9 x e raised to 3x minus plus, no? Plus 2 over 27 e raised to 3x. Okay, yan na yun. Yung sa first term. Sa first term pa lang yan, no? So, for the second term, we have, again, di. So, ito mas maikli ng konti kasi x e raised to 3x lang to. So, we'll have 1 1/3 e raised to 3x. Then we have 0, 1/3 e raised to 3x. No, so, this one, no, so we'll have 1/3 x e raised to 3x minus 1/3 e raised to 3x. No? So, lagyan lang natin ng 2y sa unahan. Kasi, ito yun eh. Diba? So, just add, no, ito pala, no, I forgot to include this one. This is y cubed times 1/3 e raised to 3x. Yan yung kanyang antiderivative. No? So, adding all the terms, no, adding all the terms, yes, adding all the terms. Oh, sorry, this is not 1/3, this is 1/9. Ayan. So, we will have psi is equal to the antiderivative, or sorry, not the antiderivative, tapos na pala. 3y times 1/3 x squared e raised to 3x minus 2/9 x e raised to 3x plus 2/27 e raised to 3x plus 2y 1/3 x e raised to 3x minus 1/9 e raised to 3x na lang. Then, yung ating naiwan na isa, no, that is plus y cube or y, ano ba yun, y squared? Y cube. Y cube times 1/3 e raised to 3x. Okay, then you're just going to combine all the like terms, no? So, okay na to. Ito mag-isa lang siya, yung x squared e raised to 3x. Etong x e raised to 3x, meron siyang kasama. Diba? Lagyan ko double underline. Ayan, meron siyang kasama. Then, as well as with e raised to 3x lang, no? So, ayan, yung mga pwede nating ipag-combine. No? So, we'll have, just to simplify, no, I can distribute. So, ito muna tayo. So, we have psi is equal to cancel yung 3 at saka yung 1/3, no? So, that will be x squared y e raised to 3x. Diba? X squared y e raised to 3x. Then, we'll have, this will become 2/3 x e raised to 3x, no? Negative 2/3 x e raised to 3x. Tapos, we have 2y 1/3 e raised to 3x, 'di ba? So, what can we do? We can factor out 1/3. Sorry, 2/3. 2/3 x e raised to 3x, no? So, plus 2/3 x e raised to 3x. Sir, bakit naging 2/3 na lang? Kasi 'di ba, remember, i-distribute din natin si 3y dito. And also going to this one. 'Di ba? So, kaya siya naging 2/3 na lang. So, times, meron tayong negative y. So, this is positive 1. No? So, we have, sorry, kasama pa pala si y, no? Sa ma-distribute. Yeah. So, sorry, I forgot to, I mean, na-overlook ko. By distributing, no? Ito focus muna tayo dito. Erase. So, I'll delete this one. Okay. Remember guys, this one and this one, diba? This will be negative 2/3 x e raised to 3x. Sorry. Negative 2/3 xye raised to 3x. Xye raised to 3x. Diba? And this one, 2y times 1/3 x e raised to 3x is also equal to positive 2/3 xy e raised to 3x. No? So, this is, this is plus. What can you see? di ba they have the same magnitude but opposite signs, meaning they will cancel, di ba? So actually this one is equal to 0, no? So yun, ganun lang siya. Okay, then yan, 0 siya. Okay na tayo doon sa ating double underline. We have our triple underlines, no? So we have sorry. So pag distribute natin si 3y going here, naburahin ko na to ha. Ayan, si 3y, no, distribute natin going here kay 2/27 e raised to 3x. That will be equal to what? Sige nga, that will be equal to 2/9, 'di ba? So that is 2/9y e raised to 3x. So plus 2/9 y e raised to 3x. Then we have 2/y minus 1/9y e raised to 3x. So that is negative 2/9 y e raised to 3x. Plus this one, no? So this is 1/3 y cube e raised to 3x. Diba? This one will cancel also. Diba? As we can see, this is equal to 0. So there, we have of course our plus f of y, no, from the psi of x, integral of psi of x dx, no. So our psi can be simplified to, no, medyo mahaba. So we have x squared y e raised to 3x plus 1/3 y cube e raised to 3x plus f of y. Okay, this is our psi. Now, we need to get the partial derivative in respect to y. No, para makuha natin yung psi y naman, then we can equate it with our n of xy. No, so we have this will become x squared e raised to 3x plus y cube. Ang kanyang partial derivative is 3y squared. But remember, we have 1/3. So 3/3 is 1. No, so we'll have y squared e raised to 3x plus f prime of y. This is equal to, what is our n? What is our n? Sige nga, wait lang, sorry. Yan. What is our n? Medyo mahaba lang yung... Ba't nag-ano to? Anyway, maybe it's a bug. Sorry. I think I know what's the problem. Wait lang, oh. Nagbabug. I do not know why. For a while. Okay, so we have here our n is equal to e raised to 3x times x squared plus y squared. So, yun yung n natin. So, we're going to equate it with n. Okay. So, we have e raised to 3x times, that is x squared, sorry, that is x squared plus y squared. Okay. What can you observe, guys? Sige nga, if you are going to be asked. Okay, so as you can see, guys, now if we're going to distribute e raised to 3x with x squared plus y squared, we will arrive with the same value on the left side of the equation. Meaning, no, this whole term, no, this whole term of x squared e raised to 3x plus y squared e raised to 3x is equivalent to e raised to 3x plus x squared plus y squared. No, so they will just cancel itong buong to. So hence, again, no, sa hinaba-haba ng ating equation, f prime of y is equal to 0. And if we're going to get the antiderivative of this function with respect to y, no, we will get fy, or, sorry, Wait lang. I disconnected my keyboard for a while. Ayan. No, so we have okay. So we have our f of y is equal to c. So therefore, no, the solution to the differential equation is we have x squared y x squared e raised to 3xy, no, plus 1/3 e raised to 3xy cube is equal to c. As simple as that. No, or we can factor out, no, ano yung common sa atin? We have e raised to 3xy. So we have e raised to 3xy times x squared plus 1 over 3 y squared is equal to c. Okay? So this is our general solution to this differential equation. No, medyo mahaba lang pero caring-carry naman yung sagot. No, so okay. No, so let's have another one. No, so we have here 2y squared plus 3x dx plus 2xy dy is equal to 0. No, so again, this is not exact. So we need to multiply a rather an integrating factor. No, so we have, let me just check. Ayan. So we can deduce, no, na this one is easier to solve using mu of y. Bakit? No, so I'll just share a trick with you. No, so the personal trick ko lang naman. No, so you're just going to get the sum of all the terms, no, or rather the sum of all the exponents per term. Okay, so we have, for example, per variable rather. No, so we have x squared x, no, so that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. We have y cubed, so 1 plus 1 plus 3, that is 5. Since 5 is greater than 3, no? So malamang yung hinahanap natin is something in the function of x kasi yun yung kulang. In this case, no? So katulad dito, no? So uh we have x dito kasi nagkataon na parehas sila, no? So kasi we have xy 1 versus 3, then we have 3 versus 1, no? So pagka ganun mag mu of x na lang rin kayo, no? But in this case, no, dun kasi sa number 3 example natin, usog ko lang. Sa number 3 example kasi natin mas mataas, I mean mas marami yung exponents ni y, no? So that is 2 versus 1. So I'll just make this sorry. Tama ba? Yeah. Oo. So 2 versus 1 with y, no? So this is still mu of x pa pala. Ayan. So this is still mu of x. Okay, so we have 2y squared plus 3x dx plus mu of x, no? Plus sorry. Plus mu of x 2xy dy is equal to 0. No, so we have here our m, no? So we have ang m natin is mu of x times 2y squared plus 3x. Then we have our, sorry. So we have our my is equal to mu of x times 4y. 4y na lang. Kasi remember guys, no, we are getting the partial derivative of y, no? So lahat ng x function will be treated as constants. No, so we have n in this case. So that is 2 mu of x 2xy. Sorry, medyo naglalag. I don't know why. Medyo marami na ata laman yung ating whiteboard, no? So we have nx. So this is 2 mu of x times 2y. Kasi naka-x na tayo, remember? Plus mu prime of x 2xy. Okay? So, yan yung ating dalawa. And they are said to be equal. No, so, we have mu of x times 4y is equal to mu of x times 2y. Okay? Then, plus mu prime of x 2xy. Okay? So, by transposing mu of x to y to the other side, we have mu of x times 4y minus mu of x times 2y. Pinactor out yun na si mu of x. So, you just arrive with 2y. Plus, or sorry, rather equals, I'll just change this to d mu of x over dx times 2x y. 4y minus 2y, that is essentially 2y. So we need to divide both sides by 2y since we are in the mu of x. So cancel yung 2y. Sorry. Cancel, then of course this one, no. X lang yung maiiwan. So therefore we will have, sorry. Taas ko lang. Medyo naglalag, no. So we have mu of x is equal to, kasi na-cancel lang nga yung 2y, so that is d mu of x over dx times x. No? Tapos, pagsamahin lahat ng dx at saka yung mu of x, no? Tsaka yung d mu of x. So, we'll have dx over x times mu of x. So, you'll see, no? Medyo similar siya dun sa nauna natin. No? So, we'll have dx over x is equal to, sorry, naglalag. This is equal to d mu of x over mu of x. Yan, medyo naglalag na. No, so, ayan. So, we'll have the antiderivative. No? So, we'll have ln x is equal to ln mu of x. So, by applying E property, no? So, the ln's will be cancelled. Therefore, mu of x is equal to x, basically. No? Ayan. So, since mu of x is equal to x, no? So, kunin ko lang tong ating naunang equation. Then, substitute ko lang. Ayan. So, we'll have, no? Palitan ko si mu of x ng x. So, we have 2xy squared plus 3x squared, no? This is our new m, plus 2x squared y dy is equal to 0. No? So, our my now will become 4x, no? 4x na lang, no? Kasi tawag dito 2xy squared, the partial derivative of that is 4x na lang, 4x times 1. Tapos 0 na lang yung 3x squared, 3x squared natin. Tapos our nx is just simply 4x na lang rin. No? They are equal, hence our new equation is exact. No, so we'll have psi x is equal to 2xy squared plus 3x squared. Okay, so let's get the antiderivative in respect to dx. Also with this one. Okay, so we'll have psi is equal to, so this will be 2y squared times x squared over 2 plus 3 times x cubed over 3 plus f of y. Diba? So, cancel na si 2. Cancel din si 3. Diba? So therefore, our psi is equal to x squared y squared plus x cubed plus f of y. Ayan. Okay? So let's get the partial derivative in respect to y. So we can get the value of f prime or rather f of y. So we'll have psi y is equal to 2x squared y. So x cubed will just be 0 kasi 'di ba na kay y na tayo. So plus f prime of y. This is equal to what is our new what is our n, no? So what's our n? That is 2x squared y. So it's also the same, no? So kapag same again, no, maka-cancel na lang. And our again, no, our f prime of y is equal to 0. Getting the antiderivative, we will arrive with f of y is equal to c. Ayan. So our solution to the general our general solution to this differential equation is just simply x squared y squared plus x cubed is equal to c. Or simply x squared times times y squared plus x is equal to c. No? Ayan, ganyan na lang siya. Okay? So this is our solution. Okay? So, no need to manipulate kapag ka ganito, no? If you can express this implicitly, that's fine. But ako, I do not prefer, uh, it's fine if I'm not going to change this into implicit form. Kasi if I am going to get the particular solution, I need to get the value of C. And it is easier to solve for the value of C kapag naka-explicit form. 'Di ba? Remember, kapag naka-ganitong form is equal to C. Mas madali nating mahahanap yung value ng C. Okay? So, let's have our fourth example. So we have here 6xy dx plus 4y plus 9x squared is dy is equal to 0. So you can see, no, 2 greater than 1. So dito tayo gagamit ng mu of y. Saan nang galing yung 2 greater than 1? Ito 2 tapos 1. 'Di ba, remember ang x, ang y, ang exponent niya is 1 kapag wala kang nakikitang exponent. Okay, so we have our my. Ngayon, kanina, 'di ba? Since mu of x yung mga nauna nating ginamit, we are using product rule for n of x or n sub x rather. No, but since we have mu of y, kay my tayo ngayon or kay m sub y tayo ngayon magpa-product rule. No, so we'll have mu of y. The partial derivative of 6xy in respect to y is 6x plus, no, mu prime of y 6xy. Ayan. 6xy na lang basically, no? VDU plus UDV plus VDU. Sorry. No, so we have our nx naman. Our nx is simply copyahin mo lang mu of y, lahat ng y function 0, lahat ng x function get the derivative. No, so we'll have 18x. Okay, so just equate them, no? So we have mu of y 6x plus mu prime of y 6xy is equal to mu prime of y times 18x, no? 18x. So you can see where this is going through. Yes, yes sir. Okay. So we'll have transpose ko si mu of y 6x sa kabila. So may iwan na lang si mu prime of y. 6xy is equal to mu prime of y, no, we have 18x minus, no, 6x. Okay, kasi nga tinranspose natin, so magiging negative mu of y 6x. Factoring out mu of y, we have mu of y multiplied to the quantity of 18x minus 6 of x. This is equivalent to 12x. Now we do not want excess on y's, no, so therefore we are going to divide both sides by so not by 12 but rather by 6x na lang, no? Para at least mabawasan yung ating numerical coefficients, no? So we have cancel si 6x dito. Then dito naman may iiwan na lang is 2. 'Di ba? So therefore we have d mu prime of y is equal to d mu y over dy. No? So we have d mu of y. Ayan, sorry. Ayan. D mu of y over dy is equal to 2 mu of y. Kasi wala naman tayong y na naiwan, di ba? Meron ba? Meron pala. Nandito. Naka mu of y. So, we have y here. No, so, this is the 2 mu of y. Okay, so multiplying both sides, no? To make this equation a variable separable. So, we have dy over y mu of y. Diba? So, we will have, sorry. Wait lang. Ay, sorry. Wait lang. Nag-exit eh. Ayan. So, we will have, no, so, obviously, this one will be canceled, this one, and this one. So, we will have d mu of y over mu of y is equal to 2 dy over y. Okay, and getting the antiderivative of both sides, no, since bar set na nga itong ating equation, so we'll have ln mu of y is equal to 2 ln of y. Okay? So again, no, hindi pa tayo pwede mag-ln property kapag meron numerical coefficient si ln. We need to make this a exponent of the internal function. So we'll have ln mu of y is equal to ln y squared. No, magiging ganun siya. Okay? So E property. So therefore, mu of y is equal to y squared. That is our integrating factor. Is equal to y squared. No? So, kunin ko lang ulit yung ating equation. The one with the mu of y. Sorry. Na-drag. Ayan. Medyo mahirap na example lang is yung number 2 kasi meron tayong e raised to ln na involved. E raised to function na involved. No, yung ating exponential function. Well, hindi siya mahirap but rather maraming algebraic manipulation na naganap. Ayan. So I'll just change the mu of y with y squared. So therefore, we have 6xy cubed dx plus 4y cubed plus 9x squared y squared dy is equal to 0. So this will be our m. No, ito yung ating bagong m. My is equal to 18xy squared. Nx is equal to, no, ang nx natin, since y function to, 0 na lang yan. No, so we'll have 18xy squared. They are already equal, so exact na siya. No, so we'll have psi x rather is equal to 6xy squared. 6xy cube rather, sorry, not y squared. Y cube. No, so ayusin ko lang, wait lang. Ayan. So getting the antiderivative in respect to x. So we'll have psi is equal to 6y cube, di ba? Those are our constants. So we'll have x squared over 2 plus f of y. Di ba? So cancel, may iwan si 3. So therefore our psi is equal to 3x squared y cube plus f of y. No. So equating, not equating, but rather getting the partial derivative in respect to y, hindi pa tayo pwede mag-equate, no? Partial derivative muna. No, so we'll have psi y is equal to 9x squared y squared. No, that is the partial derivative of y this function in respect to y. Then we have f prime of y. So we can equate this with our n. What is our n again? No, that is 4y cubed plus 9x squared y squared. No, so we have 4y cubed plus 9x squared y squared. With this, no, makakancel si 9x squared y squared. Maiiwan si 4y cubed. So yes, sa wakas, hindi na 0 ang ating f prime of y. So we have f prime of y is equal to 4y cubed. No? So getting the antiderivative in respect to y. So therefore, we have f of y is equal to y to the fourth plus c. Sir, bakit naging y to the fourth na lang? Remember, 4y cube, ang kanyang antiderivative is 4y to the fourth over 4. So 4 over 4 is 1. So cancelled. Okay? So ito na ipapalit natin, no? To the psi function. No, so we have 3x squared. Di ko nilalagay yung psi ha. So 3x squared y cube, no? Plus y to the fourth is equal to c. Or factoring out y cube, since common si y cube sa lahat, y cube times 3x squared plus y is equal to c. This is the general solution to the differential equation. Okay? So, chicken ba? I hope chicken guys, no? Sana naiintindihan, no? Kahit medyo mahaba. Ayan. Okay, so